A big change is happening in single-serve beverage bottles. European Union Directive 904 requires that all single-serve bottles now have a tethered cap. This is a hugely impactful change to a long-standing and ubiquitous consumer product. Positive consumer acceptance is critical to the growth of sales in this beverage category. T-Qapp is a new and innovative tethered cap design that offers the familiarity and reliability of traditional beverage bottles, but adds the benefit of a quarter-turn, easy open cap with a unique tethered design that easily stores below the rim of the bottle. The mandated addition of a tether to the cap introduces new problems and highly potential irritants to users. First and foremost, tethered caps interfere with drinking. Let me briefly illustrate. In fact, because of the tether memory, the user may have to continually move the cap out of the way to take a sip. Not only that, but the tethered cap also interferes with pouring. These are two primary functions of a single-serve bottle. These detriments to fundamental function are hugely problematic for user acceptance. In addition to all this, although the traditional bottle and cap are ideal for life on the go, opening and closing requires a two-handed operation with a minimum of 6 user manipulations to get the cap off and stored. This is an unnecessarily tedious process for a package that is created for convenience. Not only that, but the whole two-handed multi-motion process creates a driving hazard for users on the go. And one more thing, with traditional bottles, the user could take advantage of spin momentum to lessen their time and interaction with a bottle, but the tether has now taken this benefit from the user. Our innovative cap and bottle design transforms these old and new annoyances into desirable features that benefit the drinking experience. T-Qapp offers an opportunity to fulfill the user's environmental sensibilities while at the same time making the user experience better than it has ever been. A win-win. Our cap can be opened by a quick, easy, and fluid motion. The cap may be opened and stored using only one hand and without changing your grip. Less time, less motion, more drinking, and less fooling with the package.
T-Qapp brings user-centric innovation to the tethered cap problem, creating a new and exciting user experience that enhances the product, making it both environmentally beneficial and easier to open and use. This will translate to new brand loyalty versus struggling to maintain existing consumers.
In addition to all these user benefits, the T-Qapp design benefits the bottler by leveraging conventional bottleneck size and threads, allowing for a manufacturing transition with minimal changes to molding, filling, and inspection equipment. T-Qapp is patent pending and available for immediate licensing.